In Python, if, elif, and else further extend the concept of the if statement by allowing for testing of multiple non-overlapping conditions. For instance, a number is either positive, negative, or 0. A number cannot fall into more than one of those categories at once. Let's write some code. Num equals 3. If num equals 0, then print 0. Elif num greater than or equal to 0, print positive. Else, print negative. If we run this code, we'll see num is positive. Now for the next example, we'll do a fairly standard grading scale. Grade equals 100. If grade greater than or equal to 90, then print A. Elif grade greater than or equal to 80, then print B. Elif grade greater than or equal to 70, then print C. Elif grade greater than or equal to 60, then print D. Else, print F. If we run this code, we'll see our grade is an A. One final note, why is the elif even needed? Can't we just stack ifs? Let's answer by showing. We'll change all the elifs to if and see what happens. If we run this code, we'll see we got a 100 and our grade is A and B and C and D. Obviously, for practical reasons, that's nonsense. Your grade is one thing and it can't be more than one thing. It turns out with elif, a condition being true means you run the code under that specific condition, then jump to the end of the conditional ladder. Just stacking ifs, on the other hand, doesn't do that. Every time a condition is true, regardless of previous conditions being true, the code in the true conditions branch runs. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.